An intense tropical disturbance sweeping across Cuba and Hispaniola has led to devastating flooding in the Dominican Republic. Scenes from Saint-Domingue show cars being swept down streets as sudden flooding rushed through on Saturday night. Nearby, a concrete wall collapsed onto several cars on a highway due to the heavy rain, reportedly killing 9 people. Power was cut to areas of Saint-Domingue overnight, and 11 provinces were on red alert. At least 20 deaths have been blamed on the system since Friday.
Esa casa tan tapado.
El dominicano se arriesga a salvar a los suyos.